going to put it behind your sort of don't worry. Careful because you're on a main road. I was going to grab here and here.
Yeah. Quite a lot. But only when we start slipping. Which will be fairly quick. Are you ready? Don't restart. How are we doing?
This beats going to church, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Good morning.
Morning.
Straight up, no restart. If you stop in a section to fail,
Yeah.
pop at the top, you're clear.
Amazing. Thank you.
If you do get stuck, use your noggin and see if you can back down again. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Well, hold it. Hold it. Go back across the road again. Back to where we were.
Why?
Roller coaster scared.
Well, the other midget made it far. But they are, as you can see, a lot more satisfied than we are. We are running fairly standard. I would do window down. Give you a bit extra ready to start. You might even be able to that. I don't know if you're less likely to.
No, that way is better. That way is better.
It'd be nice and warm for a couple of minutes.
That has cracked up a bit.
Yeah, that's fine. If we're set to, we'll probably creep up a lot more. Are we ever ready?
I don't know, are you ready? Oh, I'm just going to close my eyes and wait till it's over, darling. No.
Okay.
You go back down?
How far off were we? That red marker, wasn't it?
Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah. How was that?
That was okay. We did better than I thought we would. Please be careful of the speed.
Yeah. How far off were we? Oh, fuck's sake.
Next time. Around the corner. Easy.
That was good fun.
My seatbelt back. Careful.
Pretty good try there.
Yeah.
That's the closest they're getting there.
Oh wow, I'll take that for a win.
That's our first section that we've done, so.
Them roots going backwards.
Yeah.
Will do, thank you.
My leg
Sorry.
is like full on shaking. That was a thrill.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Did you not?
Yes, it was an experience. I just want to get back down here and then I'll be excited, okay? Okay.
Oh, that sounded good.
Yeah. Whoa.
We good?
Right.
Right down there. Right down there. Go on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Go on.
Lovely.
So near, so far.
No worries.
That doesn't sound like the exhaust on anymore.
Keep going. Go on, you're all right. Well done.
That tree root's a bit of a bugger, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I've taken my exhaust off.
I know, it's so sharp. I heard it clank. Never mind. Okay,
Good.
We have hazards in here.